Greetings, we are going to look at how we can design graphics with a mobile app tool called Adobe Sparkpost. So after downloading Adobe Sparkpost on your phone, you click on the icon to open it, which is right here. And if you're a first-time user, it will ask you to sign up. Ensure that you sign up with either your Gmail or Google account. And since I've already used it before, I'm already signed in. So as a signed in user, it will load you your templates automatically. So the tool has a variety of templates that you can pick from, depending on the theme that you want to design. If you want to design from for a school, business, lifestyle. So you can pick on any template and redesign it. If you see some of the templates have a yellow icon on the top, those templates are premium, meaning that you'll have to pay to use them. Yes. So I'm going to design a travel template. So you can pick one. I'll select this. After choosing my template, I'll click to remix this template to make changes to it. Soon as the template loads, it brings also different edit functions. As you can see here, we're able to add text, image, icon, and logo. Adding a logo is premium. We have colors, animation, layout. Brand is also premium, and resizing. We're going to see all those different functionalities throughout the video. First, I would like to remove the picture that is there so that I add one from my phone. So I'll click it and I'll click on, we have the delete button here. You can delete it from there or you can replace it. Either way. So let's first delete it. As you can see, it has gone. And you can always undo a function that you feel that maybe you took a wrong step. So you can always click undo there. So once I click in it, I'll replace it with a photo. So right here, you can search for a photo from the tool and it generates. Let's say if I wanted mountain, it will generate you different mountain pictures that are available on the tool. But I want to get one from my phone. So to pick one from my phone, I'll come and click on gallery and I replace it with a photo from my phone, which is that one. As you can see, it has replaced the photo and I have my giraffe photo here. So I can also add different changes to the giraffe photo. And you click here on adjust. So you can click on nudge and it moves the photo different directions, either to the left, to the right, or up. Click done. Go to looks. You can alter it. You can give it gray and scale. You can darken it. There are different number of changes that you can apply to the picture. So we also have enhance. I click on contrast. You can either decrease it, the contrast in the photo, or increase it. Brightening, you can add more light to it, increase its brightness or decrease it, and also shadows. So depending on what you really want to alter in the picture. So you can try out these different enhancement features and achieve the quality that you want for the picture you've just added. So we have text that is already in the image here. So now you can highlight the text there. So you can edit it or delete it or duplicate it. So I'm going to choose to delete it so that we add our own text of what we want to put in our template here. So I'll click on delete and it will remove the text plus that shape that is there. So everything that you tap on in the template can be removed as long as it, let's say like the text or a shape, you can easily remove it. So now we want to add our own text to this template. So you click on add here and then you click on text. So I'm going to add my text. After clicking my text, I click on this tick sign to add it to the template here. So once I click in the text, I'm able to select it and move it to where I want. So I'll put it right there. And I can resize it right here from the edges. So you can select and move it. So then we can give our text color. So we have different colors. So you can pick from the different colors that we have. Whichever color you tap on, the text changes. Colors that are available. Then we have font. You can change the font of the text. So whichever you select here that suits your design. And remember, you can always resize it. Then we have shapes. You can add shapes to the text. See there, you can add a circle. You have the square there. So I'll opt for my design, not to add any shape in it. And then we have effects. You can pick on any effect that will work best for you. So you can tinker around. And then we can go to size. You can increase the size of the text. Order, adjust. You can move it down, up. You can align it, align the text, center, opacity, how much you want of it to appear. You can decrease it or increase it, spacing. And when you're done making changes to your text, you can click on done. So we want to add a logo. I'll click here on add, and I'll come to image to add the logo from my phone. Click on gallery. That is the logo of the tour agency. and I'll click on add one. So I'll click here on move freely. So here is our logo. Once I place it, I can resize it, then move it. I'll place it there. So still I can make changes to this logo. If I come here to adjust, I can scale it, resize it. I can adjust its looks. Darken it. So we have colors. You can give the template different color schemes. Right now we have these. So depending on what you click on, it gives the template different color schemes. So you can pick on the menu and see what works for you. I'll go with that. So right here, there was some text that was left. Okay. So I want to add more text to this template, put my details in case they want tourists to get in touch. So I'll come to add more text. So I'll put for bookings, contact, 5, 9. After I'm done with my text, I click on the tick. It will be added. So I'll come and place it right in the corner here. Once I click on it, I'll resize it. After, I'll place it there and I click on done. So lastly, we want to remove this watermark here in the corner. So if you click in it, you can remove logo on this project. So we can also add animation to our template here. So when you click on animation, it can make, we have different types here. So these are for text. So whichever you click in, you can see an example. So the words will have different animations. So we also have the panning. So you can click on the different types and you see the animations it gives you. Then we have layout. You can pick from the different layouts here. So whichever you select, shall preview. So you can pick on as many and see what works for you. Then we also have here border. You can choose to show your border. Here you can increase, see how it will appear. So depending on how your design layout you want it to be. You can also pick the color of the border. So if you click here, you can see it changes there. So I'll keep with that. And then branding is for going premium. That means you have to pay for it. Then you can also resize. So you can resize it to different options available. You can resize it to an Instagram post, just like that. Landscape, Facebook. So depending where you're going to publish it, you resize it in that post. So I'll come back here and click on original, and I click done. So if you feel all your changes are done, you can come and click here on this button. So you can save it on your phone, or you can publish it on these different social media sites, on your Facebook newsfeed, on WhatsApp, and more other social media sites. So I'm going to save this to my phone, and my image has been saved. So once you close the app and go to your phone gallery, you shall be able to see what you have designed. So once you come here, it will have created an album, Sparkpost, and you click and see what you have designed. Thank you.